welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you can tell, I have changed my hair yet again. I have short hair now. I'm loving it. I love going back to short hair life. I'm keeping it light just for summer. I might go darker for the fall, winter, but so far I am loving it. But that's not what I'm here to talk to you guys about today. I'm here to talk about how to cover dark under eye circles today. It's one of my most requested tutorials I've been asked to do, so I am finally bringing it to you. I'm using two products that I absolutely love right now. I've tried so many different ones over the years, but this is just really what is working for me right now in my summer routine, and it does an effective job. It looks great, it stays put all day, and most importantly, it makes me look bright again. I always call myself Dracula whenever I don't have it on. So let's fix that Dracula under eye dark circle and let's come back to life here. I have something special for you guys at the end of this video, so make sure that you keep on watching for that. So without further ado, let's get started. All right, so I first prepped my under eyes with a little bit of eye cream. I put a little bit on in the morning because I don't want it to like curd up underneath the concealer and make it really creasy. You want it to be absorbed into your eyes. So I first wake up, I pop those on, and then I wait maybe an hour before I apply my makeup or go in. So I have the La Mer Eye Concentrate that I'm using right now, and then I put on a lot more when I go to sleep, but just a little bit goes a long way for the morning. So I've prepped my under eyes with this, and now I'm going to show you some magic. So as you can see, I have my foundation on. I just went in with the Giorgio Armani Face Fabric today, and I've contoured, I've got my brows done, everything is ready to go. I have a little mascara on. This is the final step, so I'm going to show you how magical this is. So what I'm using is the Tarte Shape Tape, and this is in the color Light Medium Honey. I love it because it really neutralizes the dark undertones. I have naturally olive tone skin, so this is nice because it will just match it. I like a yellow base to my concealer rather than a pink one. Everyone is different. This is just what works for me. So as you can see, it's got like this really nice brush head here, and a lot comes on, and I like to use a lot. I'm not scared of under eye concealer, so I'm going to show you guys how I apply it and how much. So I would just do this. I make a triangle in this whole area here, just like that. So it's like a little V, and then I go underneath like this, and then I'm going to do this on this side as well. I know I look totally crazy right now, so I do that, and then I just do the same thing over on this side. Okay, now that I have my two triangles, it doesn't have to be perfect because we're gonna blend it out. All I do now is take my beauty blender, and I like to soak it a little bit under hot water, squeeze out the excess water, and then we're just gonna blend it all in there. Do you see how crazy that is so far already? Okay, that made a crazy difference, as you can see. I'm going to have to probably touch up my eye makeup a little bit, just maybe the eyeliner and mascara here. But as you can see, much brighter, looking way more awake. It's so crazy how this stuff just totally changes your face and can totally brighten it up. But what I learned over the years, when you use a really creamy concealer, something that's more hydrating like this, you're going to need to lock it in so you don't get those creases throughout the day. And I love that about this concealer because you don't really get those creases, especially if you just use a little bit and just tap it in with your finger. I kind of put on a little bit more today because I'm going out. So now I'm going to show you what I set it with. Sometimes I like to bake, and sometimes I just kind of like to pop a powder concealer over top to set it. I am using the Bare Minerals concealer in Well Rested, and this stuff is incredible. It has SPF 20, it's an eye brightener, and you could just use this on your own if you're doing like a no makeup kind of look. I've literally never found a powder that you could just pop on underneath. I've always had to use liquid concealer, but this stuff does a great job at brightening that under eye and making you look really awake if you don't want to do the liquid and have like a more natural look. Sometimes I don't mind if I'm not totally concealed and looking so bright-eyed. I don't mind if like a little bit comes through, but I do love to set this as well over the liquid. So I'm just using any kind of brush. Right now I have like this KKW Beauty one, and I'm just going to swirl in here inside the product. So it's a loose powder. So I'm going to do this, tap off a little bit of excess, and then I'm just going to run that right under my eyes. And I'm gonna use that same triangle shape to kind of brighten up this whole entire area here. So everything will blend in with my foundation. And so you see, it just kind of is a nice little translucent powder to put on top. But it does conceal, so it still is working to brighten. And then we're doing the same for this side. Whenever I have access, I kind of just use on the rest of my face because it is a concealer. So I just kind of go over a few areas I want to kind of lock in with powder. I'm just going to put a little mascara on my bottom lashes there. And if there's any like concealer that gets on them, the mascara just kind of goes over them and makes them black again. And I'm just going to reapply some up at the top. And that's it. Super simple, 2 products, really, really easy and effective, and you can say bye-bye to those dark circles. Thank you for sticking with me through this video. I now can announce that I am finally doing my 10K Subbie giveaway. Thank you guys so much for your patience. I know I had some other videos that had to go up first, but now I can finally do the giveaway, and I'm so excited to give back to you guys. Thank you so much for getting me to 10K. I know that that may sound like a smaller number here on YouTube. There's people that have millions of subscribers, but I'm just getting started, and I'm so excited to keep growing on this channel and keep connecting with you guys and giving you guys the content that you want to see. So to say thank you, here's what we got. All right, so for our giveaway, I am doing a Nordstrom e-gift card. I'll email it to you, and it's gonna come in $200 in Canadian currency. So even if you're American, I will still send it to you. Just note that it's gonna be in Canadian dollar. And then I'm also going to give away $10 Starbucks gift cards to 5 of you, so you can go and enjoy a coffee on me. And I thought it would be perfect because Nordstrom is having their anniversary sale next month. So to get you all excited for that and prepared, I'm gonna be doing a bunch of posts. So I thought it would be great to give away a gift card from them. I love shopping there. And then of course, I love, love, love to treat my friends and family to coffee. So I want you guys to go and enjoy. So I just wanted more opportunities for you guys to win. So how do you win? Make sure that you are subscribed to my channel, follow me on Instagram, and then comment on this video and let me know that you are entered so that I have your username, and then I can reach out to you so we can arrange the e-gift exchange. All right, so I hope that's easy enough. I can't wait to pick the winners for this giveaway. Thank you guys so much for following and subscribing and commenting and liking and sharing. I am so grateful. I hope you enjoyed this quick mini tutorial. Let me know what you guys want to see next in the comments below. If you liked it, make sure to give me a thumbs up. And if you really liked it, hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next one.